Welcome to Nellions, where every move tells a story. Today, we are assembling this home bench.
Nellions. How to.
The first thing you should know is that every piece of furniture is unique. That said, you need to follow the instruction manual that comes with your package. In this case, we start by extracting all the parts of the bench and laying them on the ground. Next, we open the bolt pouch. It contains the bolts, nuts, and washers necessary for our mission. The next step is to bolt down the parts. This part may be tricky, especially for complex assemblies. Like a jigsaw puzzle, it takes patience and a fair bit of ingenuity to figure it out. Add the front legs and bolt them down. Most importantly, follow the instructions in the manual. And voila, your job is done. A firm, steady bench courtesy of the best furniture movers in Nairobi. Subscribe for more furniture assembly and moving tips from Team Nellions.
Move with Nellions. Remember to like, share, subscribe.